I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now search for action SendPulse. Give a name. For client ID and client secret, please click here. Copy client ID and secret and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use it. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to SendPulse dashboard. Click on Mailing List Account. Now click on My Emails. You can see record created in Mailing Lists module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.